Are we intro? We don't have the intro no more?
We're just gonna use the other intro.
Alright. What's good?
How y'all doing? That's good, that's good.
That is 3? Hey, add time?
Yeah. Oh, wow. You can start it off.
Alright, we got a question.
Yeah, we got a question for y'all.
Go ahead.
What's the question?
What's the question?
Shit, he don't even got a question for
I choose the one in the blue.
Yeah.
We choose you in the blue. All 3 of us.
I feel it. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate your head.
Huh? Our head? I would be like, I'm like an 8, a 9. I eat pussy real good, so I'll say a 10.
Okay. And what you gonna say?
I would be a and then why are they asking us like we know how our own head oh yeah, baby.
Bruh, she said my pussy good, so I'm a 10. Yes, I don't even care
United
about
Kingdom.
You're right.
What's up? Hey, can you add time? Alright, so look, we had a question. We wanted to know, how good is your head 1 through 10?
Is whose hair?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
4, 3, 2.
Yup.
That's your type of girl.
Hey,
Hello.
how you doing?
Yo.
Trying to add time?
Good. How are you? Yeah.
We had a question for you. So, on a scale of... you can ask it. Rate your head on a scale of 1 to 10.
My head?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You said what?
You said my head? Like sucking dick?
Yeah, like...
Gay!
Wow. Just rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
That's a personal question.
What?
How you just
Come
gonna
on.
go, my sucking dick?
Gay!
Oh,
And then not answer.
just rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
And I said 28. That's it. It's like, I don't suck dick, bro. I only suck 1 dick.
Say,
I
how would you
swear,
rate
and I
it?
just lost my virginity
She
last
said
week.
28.
How would I rate it?
Wow.
She said 28.
She said she only sucked
Yeah, but she...
She said 28.
Yes, no cap. I swear, no cap. You're gonna play it back, you're gonna hear her say 28.
You were a cap. Bro, it's not loud enough. Turn your volume up. What? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Bruh.
From Canada. It was good.
Professional setup and shit. Hey.
Hey, add time?
Hey, YouTubers.
You think?
Just set up the lighting. What's up? Answer.
I'm putting that's going.
Why did she just ask that question, bro? It's like she knew she was.
Add time?
You trying to fight me in the bed? I beat it up.
Hey.
Man, I'm dead.
What's up?
What's up with you?
What's up?
Hey, at time? We don't need the time. Hey, look. My friend wanted to know, do you suck dick?
Wow.
What the question is that?
Like, I'm just trying to
You
know.
just want to know,
like,
do you suck dick? Like, cause
if
he
you
said,
do, I might as well just whip it out.
we're getting banned. We're getting banned.
Right.
We're getting
Alright.
banned.
Just don't even.
Hey,
do
at
that.
time?
Just go straight into it.
At time?
Should I just whip it out right now, or should I just wait?
He want to know if should he just whip it out?
Goodbye. Wait, I wait for the little thing to go away so I can.
You want to see it
Bye.
first before you?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
We heard you suck dick, so.
It's bigger
You
than.
heard wrong.
Oh, well, we just thought you sucked dick. You
I heard your neck game was crazy.
You heard wrong.
Well, I think we heard right, because you still on the phone.
I
So
think we
clearly-
didn't.
You still on here, so clearly you want to
Should I
suck
just
dick.
whip it out right
He
now?
said he just gonna whip it up.
Give me that shit. Give me that shit.
Tee us up. This nigga.
Where are you from in Ohio?
What up?
What's up?
Where are you from in Ohio?
We from Cleveland. Hey, at time?
Bro, I'm from Cleveland.
For real?
Swear.
Yeah, bro.
That's wrong.
I swear.
Alright, look.
I've probably
look.
seen you before.
Yeah, for real. You look familiar. But no cap, look. So we got a
Alright,
question,
well,
right?
Back to the question.
So basically,
Alright, what's the question?
basically you wanted to know, do you suck dick?
I'm not answering that.
Okay. Doesn't matter if you
It's
say
a
no.
yes.
Doesn't matter.
It's a yes.
I-
It's a yes.
Oh, so you do.
So you do suck. Because basically he said if you suck dick, he's just gonna whip it out.
I'm just gonna whip it out.
In front of each other?
Gay.
Like I'ma just go over there.
He's
and
just gonna go over there.
he gonna
I'm
whip
just
it out
gonna
for you.
He said no. I'm gonna go for it.
You
Like,
must
wanna
think
look
I'm joking.
cute.
Like he, alright. Handle your business, bro. Handle your business,
Shut
bro.
up. He's playing. That's gay as hell. If you do this, you're gay because your homie's right there. You're gay. wait. At time.
What's good?
Hi.
What's up with you?
Nothing. What's good with y'all?
Chilling at time?
Yeah, just add time.
You said what?
Alright, so look, we got a question.
Okay.
We want to know if you suck dick or not.
Yeah.
I heard your neck game was crazy.
Grandma called me. No.
Rate your shit on a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 1 low, 10 high.
I don't know. That's for someone to find out. Not.
Come on.
I was on look. I was
rate
look,
it on a
my
scale
bad.
of 1 to 10.
Look, we was only asking.
Don't even matter.
Cause he said, you know, if you suck dick, he right here. He go ahead and whip it out. I mean,
I'm right
shit.
here.
He said,
I might have.
you
Yeah,
laughing
she laughing
it's
like
a
I'm the
game.
Should I just whip it out?
You might as well.
All right, go over there.
Did we just keep that? What's good?
They just
How y'all doing?
outside now and shit. Hey,
Hey, add time.
Girl.
Add time.
y'all need to add time. All right,
Add time.
just don't add time. Okay,
Sorry.
start it off.
All right, look, we got a question.
Okay.
We want to know, do y'all suck dick?
No. We're not gay. Kaylee? Girl, if you say no, that means you gay.
I'm baffled. Repeat what you just said.
You have to suck dick to not be gay. No, you don't. But like, you know.
Do y'all suck dick?
Huh?
So do y'all suck
I
dick?
hear anything. They're asking you if we suck dick. Yes.
Y'all do? Rate y'all head.
Yeah.
Damn. She said yes with the confidence. Add time. Rate y'all head on a scale of 1 to 10.
Huh? Rate them. Rate y'all?
No, rate y'all head game on a scale of 1 to 10. What you got over there?
Let me get to know you. Hold on. Add me as a friend. Add me as a friend.
What you got over there? Let me get to know you. Hold on. Add me as a friend.
Cause
You're done. You're done.
I gotta get to know you. You gotta add me on Snap, Instagram.
No. Yeah, you'll add time.
Oh, we added
Some
time.
YouTubers.
Yeah.
So
Y'all look good.
Okay.
so look.
Look, we had a question.
Like, we got a question.
We wanted to know, do y'all suck dick?
These don't sound right.
Is that a yeah?
Yes, no, yay, nay.
Think you should keep it?
It's a baby. If someone was raped and she gave birth and she decided to kill her 3-year-old child.
You said no.
We said no. The one on the right, dude.
Gay!
Rate y'all shit on a scale of 1 to
Why you
10.
say that?
Y'all can't get in the camera for the 1 T. Y'all can't be that ugly.
They gotta be that ugly.
Yeah.
Damn!